Howdy y'all, it's that time of year again, emissions season. So on this episode, I'm going to show you guys a quick way to show you pass emissions. It should be easy enough if your car is mostly stock, which our baby right here, the Federal Tahoe, is mostly stock. So it shouldn't be too hard to pass emissions. First things first, you're going to want to make sure your air filter's clean, which is going to be right in this big box right here on our Tahoe, which we already checked and verified it's clean. Next, you're going to want to go around and pull all of the spark plugs out and test them. Make sure they're all not fouled up, which mine, I tested them yesterday. They're not fouled, they're all arcing properly, they're all doing their jobs, which means that they are gonna help pass emissions for sure. Then you're gonna want to check your sensors. And while I was checking my sensors, I found an exhaust leak on the passenger bank manifold on this car. So I tried to tighten her up with my ratchet. And since it's been like that for a long time, it was so rusted out, I broke two extensions. So today, I'm back with, drumroll please, this guy. Old school Chicago Electric freaking impact gun. And I bought new extensions for it, impact rated Pittsburghs. Let's check them out. And with those parts, or not parts, with those tools, we're gonna have this thing singing like a song. So let's check in here. Here we are. My 1/2-inch drive attachments. Nice. Gotta love the Harbor Freight, dude. Gotta love it. Lifetime warranty Pittsburghs. No, I'm not sponsored. I just really enjoy their tools and their warranty is pretty good. So now, we are going to get under this damn car with our jack and get under there with our impact gun and our 15mm socket, which is sitting right here on this ratchet, and get this thing tightened up so tomorrow we can pass emissions. I'll get back to you guys when the car is in the air. Alright, we are up in the air. So next, you're gonna see me live from under this car with my impact, my extensions, and my socket on the extension. Alright, see y'all when that occurs. Alright, we are under the car. There's our 3 bolts. Sadly, I cannot show you guys an action shot because I don't have 3 hands. So I'll show you guys after each bolt is tightened. We'll start with the one next to the O2 sensor right there. Alright, see y'all when it's tightened up. Well, that appears to have done nothing. So we're gonna go to the next one up. This guy over here on the left side of the manifold. And put her in the air. Alright. See y'all when it's up in the air. Alright, now we got them all tightened up in there. So let's start our car and see what it sounds like. See if we got a leak still. Alright. See y'all in the cab. Alright. Let's hear the engine. Oh yeah, way better. You cannot even hear that leak anymore. Wow. I can hear my plastics moving more. I can hear the damn exhaust leak. It's good. This should pass emissions. Let's give her a few revs. No, leak's gone. That is fantastic news. Alright, well with that, I'll see y'all in the next one. Keep throwing knuckles, keep throwing wrenches. And remember, don't fail emissions, you're gonna lose your car. Alright, see y'all next week. Bye.